Hello everyone. When I first started making videos, I wasn't quite sure where I was going, and it's taken a while to sort of like try out different things to see what sort of path all this is going to take. So to get a clear identity, what I've decided to do is, if you're into camping and stoves and all that sort of thing and outdoor type activities, then this is the channel for you. If you're into like DIY, making things, repairing things, I've created this and this is the channel for you. If you're into both, you know what to do. Hope that's clearly defined everything going forward. Remember, stoves, camping, outdoor stuff here. DIY, making, creating stuff here. Have a great weekend everybody. See you soon.